you guys can see, I am in the middle of doing my makeup for the day, and the lashes that I'll be wearing today, I was asked to review for you guys. So I wanted to stop what I was doing to make sure that I get the footage of me applying the lashes so you guys can see how the lashes look. And then later on in the video, I will get into more details about where the lashes are from, how I received them, and all of that stuff. So just for now, I'm just going to be applying the lashes. Now, before I apply the lashes, I will get into some simple, short, quick, basic information. The lashes that I got are in the style Lola, and this is how they look. I have already worn them already, so I'll be sure to add in a video before I even open them to show you guys more how the lashes looked before I use them, and as well as the day that I use them, just insert a quick video. These lashes are in the style Lola. Now, these are 3D mink lashes, and this is from a company called Private Label Extensions, which I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with. I'll get into more details about that company later, but I also received these lashes through Beauty Clout, which is a website where you can sign up and then you'll get some campaigns, and basically you will get paid to review items and all that stuff. So I'll be sure to get into more details about that later on as well. But once again, these are 3D mink lashes in the style Lola. Now, along with the lashes, I did get a thank you card from Beauty Clout, which I will go ahead and read to you guys. I got them from Shay, and Shay was very nice through email, everything. She's a sweetheart. So it says, Lindsay, thank you so much for agreeing to work with our client, PLE, which is Private Label Extensions. We are looking forward to the content you are looking to create with their lashes. Please let me know if you have any questions. We've also included a lash applicator. So along with the lashes, I did get a lash applicator, which is pretty much the big old tweezers that you normally see. I did try to use this the first time that I applied the lashes and had a little bit of trouble. But, you know, it doesn't hurt to have these. So once again, my eyes are done. I have not applied any mascara, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my top lashes. You guys know that I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So this is the mascara that I will be applying to my top lashes before I apply the falsies. So now that I have applied my mascara, I will be applying these lashes to my eyes now. I'm going to be using my Duo Eyelash Glue, and I'll be using my regular tweezers. I won't be using the tweezers that they sent me. Like I said, it was just a little bit big, and I had a little slight issue trying to use them to apply the lashes. I will practice with them a little bit more, but for this video, I will just be using my regular tweezers. So of course, this is how the lashes look. And like I said, I will insert a video so you guys can really see how the lashes look before I use them. But I do like the way that these look. When I saw them on the website, I knew that I would like them. So these are the ones that I picked out. So of course, I'm applying my glue to my lashes now. And of course, you guys know when using false lashes, you want to make sure that you do get the glue definitely towards the end of the strip, both ends, beginning and the end. And then you want them to dry maybe for like 60 seconds so the glue can get tacky. So once you apply them, it'll be just easier to put them in place. So we're gonna go ahead and wait a couple of seconds to let this dry. Alright, so this should be a little bit tacky enough for me to apply. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this lash to my left eye. And then I will be doing the other one. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the lash application that they sent me just to help bring both my real lashes and the falsies together. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the other lash. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through that. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go finish my makeup. And then I will come back and I will get into more details about these lashes. Alright, so this is the finished look that I created today with these Lola lashes from Private Label Extensions. I do really like the way that these lashes make my look stand out. They go with my eye shape and everything, and that's one reason why I did pick these specific ones out. So I absolutely love them. Like I stated earlier, this is my second time wearing them. The first time, it was just a simple look, foundation, highlight, all that stuff. No eyeshadow. So this time I decided to use them with eyeshadow. And like I said, I really do love the way that they look. So also, I did not film this look. So if you would like to see this look, how I created, make sure you leave a comment down below and hit the thumbs up button and I will get that video out for you guys. But this is just a review on the lashes. I went ahead and demonstrated how to apply the lashes and basically wanted to let you guys know that I absolutely love them. Now, as far as the company's Beauty Clout, I will leave the website down below, but it's basically a website for brands and influencers. You can sign up free and basically you will get campaigns that you can either accept or deny depending on what you want to do, if it's of interest to you and all that stuff. And they will send the product out for you. Private Label Extensions is, basically they provide wholesale lashes and wholesale bundles that you can buy bundles to start your own hair line or you can start your own lash line. I did some research a while back, probably like last year, because I do have something up my sleeve very soon. So Private Label Extensions is really, they're legit. I chit-chatted with them before and all that stuff. So I will leave their website down below as well so you can check out the website. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, I love these lashes and I want to thank Shay from Beauty Clout for sending me these lashes and helping me with my login and stuff because I had some problems with the website. So that's kind of how we end up really getting into the campaign that was on the dashboard for Private Label Extensions. And also I want to thank Private Label Extensions for letting me try out these lashes as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, let me know if you want to see this look and I will get it out for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.